Today I'm having fun with tattoo cover. This is my client Melissa before and after. So we're doing an airbrush tattoo cover, and I'm borrowing from the special effects department, and I'm using Pax Paint, which is by Mel Products here in LA. Here's another look at the before, and this is her after. We wanted something that would not smudge off, so I'm using Mel Products. I'll have all the links in the descriptions below. I'm using just a little bit of thinner. I've already wiped the skin down with alcohol, and I've made sure that there are no tiny hairs. You can't have any peach fuzz if you're going to be doing makeup over a tattoo. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out to me on my Instagram, which is Jess Does My Makeup on IG. Here's a little time lapse. I'm checking it with a makeup light, and she's standing in front of a light, like a natural light. So you want to check your makeup in all different lighting. Now, once this is on and it dries, you cannot get it off without Isopropyl Myristate. You're gonna have a hard time getting this off. So you can have, anyone can hug you, you can jump in a pool, it's not gonna come off. You can hug someone wearing white, which is amazing. This is her fiance. It will not come off on clothes. And you've got a 24-hour wear once this makeup sets. All the links to what I used are in the description below, as well as how to get it off, which is very important. I hope you enjoyed this one. I've had so many people reach out about airbrush tattoo covers, so if you have questions, find me on IG. I love talking about makeup. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this airbrush tattoo cover with Pax Paint.